Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got the project polish update for you guys. Well, you guys know what I'm trying to do here, so I'm just gonna jump in and show you the polishes that I've been working on. Or maybe first I'll show you the polishes that I have not been working on. Essie Chinchilly, as you guys know, I've kind of decided to not even like worry about that one too much at this point in time. Once fall time comes around, I know I'm gonna like using that a bit more. So I'm just going to be focusing on like my more springy, summery colors for now. Even though the weather is still not great and probably over the next 2 weeks we're going to have mainly rain. Yeah, I'm not into fall yet. I at least want to have some spring and summer on my nails. Then the yellow shade, I may have used once, maybe not even. I've really been focused on the blue this month, as you can see. So yeah, this one has been a bit more on the back burner as well. Like I just really wanted to get that blue out, and I will be using this one a bit more in the upcoming month. Because let's just go to that straight away as well. The blue I am rolling out. There is still like a little bit left in here, and that might be one more manicure. But I was like, you know what, I just want to roll in a new color now. I might still do one manicure with this, but just for the sake of this project, calling that one done. It's getting really goopy, so it's not that fun to use it anymore, and it even seems to be pulling back a little bit once it's on my nails. Now I'm not 100% sure whether that's the top coat or the base coat that I'm using that is doing something. I know that some do, although I've never had that with the one that I'm using at the moment, which is the Sally Hansen top coat. Yeah, but anyway, I'm calling this one done. It is pretty much done. So that is one more polish done, which brings us to 3 for this year. It's like, yeah, I don't know. I just haven't been making an amazing amount of progress lately. And honestly, I think part of it is because of this whole lockdown thing and everything that's going on. Just because I'm not really going places, I am not using my nails as much, which maybe sounds a bit weird, but normally I go to the gym twice a week. I do aerial, which I don't know if I've ever mentioned that, but you know, when like in the circuses they have these pieces of fabric hanging from the ceiling and they do all these acrobatic things in it. Yeah, I do that too since about a year or so. It's so much fun. But slowly but surely these things are opening up again, so now that I'm gonna be going into the gym more and like touching things apart from just like typing on my laptop, maybe my nails will chip more easily, so I might have to do it twice a week. Because at this point in time I was like, this month I was really planning to do it twice a week, but my nails still looked fine, so I was like, I'm not gonna take it off and then put pretty much the same color back on with a different top coat just for the sake of finishing that polish. That seemed a bit ridiculous to me. So yeah, that's the story about my nails. Just to quickly show you guys, like, these are the 3 shades that have already been finished. The blue I just finished off, and then I had these 2. This was definitely more of a wintry shade, and that one was a nice one as well. And right now I'm still working on these 2, but I already accidentally showed you guys a little bit. I'm gonna be adding a really nice summery color to it again. It's a big bottle, so I don't know whether I'm doing something not so smart now and I will still be wearing a very bright polish in winter. But this is China Glaze, what is it again? Pink Plumeria. And as you can see on here, it's kind of like, it's a pink, but it really has like more of a peachy orangey tone to it as well, and it is extremely bright. It's like one of their like fluorescent, is that the word? I think it is, nail polishes that they had in the summer collection at some point, and like they're drying up matte, and that's not because they're a matte polish, but just those really bright colors just have the tendency to dry up matte, and that is the same for this one. But put a top coat on top of it and it will be fine. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to wearing this one. I noticed when I was doing the swatch that the first layer was a bit sheer, but then the second layer kind of seemed to even it out, so I'm curious to see whether this is going to be a 2 or a 3 coater. Well, find out. It's still very, very liquidy in here as well. So like over time that might change as well. We'll find out. But yeah, I'm looking forward to like really using a full-on summer color, because I feel like the blue and the yellow that I had, like they're still a bit more spring slash summer, but this one is like definitely full-on summer, so I'm excited about that. And then my two top coats are the only thing apart from that I'm still working on, and this one just gets the progress a little bit quicker, so only barely, but I did manage to make a new mark on this one. I've kind of been switching them because I was really focused on the blue, so I was like, at least I can switch up my topper so it still looks a little bit different, because I don't want to be looking at the exact same thing like over and over again. And that worked out well for me. I can be pretty boring sometimes and just do the same thing over and over without getting too bored by it. So yeah, I made enough progress on this one, just enough to make a new marking. This one I am below the marking, but not below enough yet to make a proper new marking, so hopefully next time. But this one only gets bigger the lower we get, so it's gonna be a slow one for this one. But still, I'm happy that I have made a good bit of progress on this one since I put it in at the start of this year, because if I wouldn't have, this would still be like up here, and now at least we're nearing halfway on the bottle. So that is that, and that is what I'm gonna be working on. Now my goals for next time, I think like this is gonna be my main focus now, just because it is more of a springy color. I'm gonna try and make some noticeable progress on this one. Hopefully that'll work out, and then also noticeable progress on this one would be nice as well, but that will be I guess my number 2 focus, and then the Essie polish not so much. We'll see. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Bye bye.